Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this Bobcat 540 skid steer that came in and we're putting up for sale. As always, we'll walk around, I'll get close to everything, talk about the features and functions. Then we'll go into an operational video, show it starting up, moving forward, backwards, turning, the loader up and down, all that stuff. As always, if you are in the market for a used piece of equipment or a used skid steer, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're putting videos up of all these machines as they come in now. It's the best way to find all the inventory and to see it run and see the condition. All right, this one is a 1981 540. Obviously open ROPS, sticks and pedals, 800-pound lift capacity. I just traded this one in. Starts up good. Seems to run and do everything it's supposed to do. Tires are probably 15-20%. We obviously, as you see, it's in its everyday work clothes. We didn't even wash it off. This is exactly how it came into us. I drove it around. I pushed into the gravel pile. It's strong. All the wheels turn strong. Really pretty straight. I don't notice any patches or welds anywhere. Actually fairly tight up here for an older machine. There's a little bit of play, but nothing awful. The bucket's fairly straight. Same thing over here, tires are about the same. They've got some weather cracking in them, as you can see. Open up this back door here and as you can see, it's got a Vanguard 23 horse gas motor in it. I'm sure that has been changed out at some point in time. These probably had a Wisconsin or a Ford gas engine in them when they were new. But that engine does seem to run good. You'll see it and hear it here in a little bit. Fairly clean old machine. There's a little bit of oil laying down in there. I know he said that when we traded in, he said he's had to change some of those hydraulic hoses. Take a look inside the operator station here. As you can see, the seat's got some cuts and tears in it. Both the sticks are decent. I checked, the park brake does seem to work good. The left pedal, so the one that controls your loader arms up and down, has a little bit of slop in it. It does work fine, but it seems like it's got a little bit of play in it compared to the other side. Nothing out of the ordinary for a older machine like this. Top of the roof's fairly straight. As you can tell, at one point they had some plexiglass over the top of it and that's cracked and busted off. There's just a little piece of that left there. The front up here is nice and straight. All right, like I said, it's a 1981 Bobcat 540. I'll get that back door shut and we'll go right into an operational video.